Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to talk about diode circuits. Here we have two diode circuits and we are trying to find this current. Okay, the method we use is we use the short circuit method. We assume the diode is on, or we can say forward bias. So if the diode is on, this is going to be a short circuit, and also we have to know that current always flows from anode to cathode. So this is anode, this point is anode, and this is cathode. For this one, this is anode, this is cathode. So we have to assume this direction because anode to cathode. Okay, so we write our new circuit like this. We assume the diode is on, or forward bias in other words. Okay, so we assume this one. When we assume this, we replace this diode with short circuit. So we replace this one with a short circuit like this. Okay, so the new circuit is going to look like this, just a straight line. Now here we have 0 voltage connected to the ground. This is 7 voltage. We are trying to find the current I. The current I should flow from anode to cathode, so this should be in this direction. And if we get a positive answer, our assumption is right. If we get a negative answer, it means our assumption is wrong. It means the diode is off. Now let's see whether we get positive answer. I is equal to voltage difference between these two and the resistance in between. This is 1K resistor. Since the current is flowing this way, this minus voltage difference is going to be 7 minus 0 divided by 1K, and that's going to give us 7 milliampere. Here we are getting a positive current. So it means our assumption is correct. The diode is on. This is in forward bias. Now let's look at the second example. Here we have 7 voltage, 1K ohm resistor, and the current is flowing in this direction. But if you look at this diode, this is in the opposite direction. Here we have, this is downward, this is upward. So here we have the anode, this is cathode. So when we draw the new circuit, if you assume the short circuit, if you assume the diode is on, we have to put the current from anode to cathode in this direction, right? And then we have to calculate the current. And when we do that, when we assume, we take this off, we short circuit this one, and we see whether we get a positive current answer. Now if you calculate this one, this is 7 voltage, this is 0, this is 1K. But when the current is in this direction, this is going to be first 0 minus 7 divided by the voltage, resistance in between, that is 1K. Here we are getting negative 7 milliampere. Okay, so current is not flowing in this direction. So this our assumption is wrong. So when we have a negative answer, it means our assumption is wrong and the diode is actually off. Okay, diode is actually off, and we can say this is in reverse bias. So when it happens, what's going to happen is the real circuit is going to look like this. This is just open, there's no current flow. So if this is open, when diode is off, this is open, and the current is going to be 0. The real current is 0, there's no current. Okay, so here also we are going to have 7 voltage, and that's how we do these kind of problems. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.